Hello, I'm Andrea from First Door, and I'm delighted to introduce you to Lynn, who's going to share with us a couple of stories.
Okay, hi, I'm Lynn. Growing up, my dad used to talk about being from Waka Waka Garang country, and my mum acknowledged Birragubba and Gungaloo, so I want to acknowledge those countries. This book here today we're just going to read is How the Birds Got Their Colours. It's a favourite of everyone's, and it's in the big book program. It's written, told by Mary Albert and illustrated by Pamela Lofts. This is the story of how the birds got their colours. Illustrations by the children. Long, long ago in the dreamtime, when the land and animals were being made, all the birds were black, or one colour, till one day a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big, juicy grub. But instead he landed right on a sharp stick. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days he lay on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying. All his mates gathered around to see how he could help, how they could help, all except Crow. He just wandered around with his hands behind his back, and suddenly the parrot rushed forward, and with her sharp beak, he burst the little dove's swollen foot. Colour splashed all around over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down her chest, wings and tail. It splashed out all over the other birds. Some got red, some got brown, some blue, and some yellow. Some got spots, some got stripes. All of them got colours. All except Crow, who was standing away from the others. Crow got no colour at all. So that's how the birds got their colours. And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanked the parrot, and was able to fly away. One of my other favourite books that I've often seen in the Dandiri Library at Inala is called Sorry Day. And of course, we talk about that a lot now in our schools and communities, and it's acknowledging our stolen generation people and the sorry business that's been going on for many years in this country. Please take the time to read this book to your students as well. Sorry Day, written by Carol Vass and illustrated by Dub Leffler. Thank you.